Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12X and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all we have to open the browser, in my case it will be Google Chrome, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on delete browsing data, and here we've got some basic options I would say, because we've got the browsing history, cookies, cache and other site data. We can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, 4 weeks or even all time, it's up to you. And then all you have to do is to tap on delete data. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, like for example saved passwords, simply tap on more options. And as you can see here, we've got those, so the saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. I will change the time range to all time and then tap on delete data. And we just got back to the browser, which means that we just successfully removed all browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.